Okay, this might sound strange, but constantly trying to improve your life might be the very thing keeping you stuck. Not because growth is bad, but because of where it's coming from. Most self improvement doesn't come from inspiration, it comes from thoughts like, something isn't enough yet, or I need to be better, or I need to fix myself. And on the surface, that could sound positive, but underneath it, there is a constant message saying, who I am right now isn't quite okay. And if your brain is already wired to look for problems, self-improvement, it just gives it more problems to find. So instead of feeling better, you end up in a loop of fix, feel better, find the next problem, repeat. There's always another level, always another goal, always another thing to optimize. So what if just for a moment you stepped out of that loop? What if your life doesn't need to be improved in order to be experienced? This doesn't mean you stop growing. It means your growth is no longer driven by something is wrong. It comes from curiosity instead of pressure. So try this for one day. Don't try to improve anything, not your productivity, not your mindset, not your habits. Just live your life without treating it like a project. It may feel uncomfortable at first, but that feeling, it's just the same pattern. So you don't need to constantly become someone better. It is okay to be okay with who you are. So if this message resonates with you, don't forget to give this video a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, stay magical and may the wealth flow to you.